Good morning, my guys. It is what's today? It's Wednesday, October 8th, 6:11 a.m. So currently 20 minutes before 6:30. And honestly, NAS 100 is accumulating, consolidating, and US 30 is consolidating upwards slowly. We'll see if volume kicks in at 6:30. Um, ideally, I want to see US 30 is pretty close to the previous day high. Then NAS. And US 30 cleared all the bearish fair value gaps. It's like that 1 hour. That 1 hour already tapped 4-hour gap. Oh fuck, I just noticed that right now. It might just keep on pushing from there. It tapped that 4-hour gap already, and that 1 hour. Give me a push, and then a retrace. Naz, what are you doing? What do I want to see on you? Maybe push up, come back to imbalance, and continue. For balance. I might buy right here on US30. I mean, not US30, NAS. I bought on NAS. Oh shit. In buys on NAS. Let's see. In drawdown right now. If she's gonna push, she gonna push now. 6:30. If she gonna push, she gonna push now. US30 gave that tracement and then just popped off. Just gave that retracement and just popped off. US30's bullish. Damn, she gave that tracement pretty fast. US30 is going bearish. If you would have gone on US30, you would have got cooked. I gotta change my fucking S&P. I gotta change my S&P chart. It was like kind of choppy on the S&P. Oh my god, look at that. 30 points on US30 would have got your ass cooked. But 30 points on that is what you already need because the range is so small. You wouldn't want a 50 point stop all the way down here just to get stopped out. Alright, almost up to a 1-to-1. I'm gonna give it some room now. Not gonna go stops break even just yet. Just because it has so much volume. I need her to push, baby push. need you to push. Push a little bit more. Alright, moving my stops to break even. 24, 9, 13.6. That's the entry, right? 23. I just want to make sure, because I'm sleepy as fuck. I might be tweaking out that it's a wrong number. Almost to a 1 to 2, 1 to 2. My bad. I'm looking at the angle chart on my phone, but stops is at break even right now. Was that around psychology level, big figure level? Nah, or it was actually kind of. Dang, US30 is butt fucked. Both bearish. I need to push more, baby, push. Push, baby, push. Might retrace that 4-hour gap and then continue. Four-hour gap. Whatchamacallit, I de-risked on. What the heck? Did I not take a screenshot? I didn't. What the hell? But I de-risked this week, wasting $20 a trade because I am down like maybe 400 from last week. So I gotta really like take this slow and get back into the green zone. Damn, it almost came close to a 1 to 2. Super quick. Yeah, that trade idea would have been cooked. Dude, if you would have got on that. 4 hour already traded into, 1 hour already traded into, so there's no reason to get into this trade. Because everything got traded into. You want to get into something new, like this sweep. Oh wait, no, it's way too bearish for me to get into fucking buys now. US30's been selling. Yesterday it was selling. Yesterday it was selling. Before that was selling. Or before that it was buying and then it sold right after. S&P selling. As 100 hopefully is buying, bro. I mean, it sold yesterday. Sold the day before that. It sold the day before that, and then it sold before the day before that. So do some push-ups. Let's do some push-up, guys. Push-ups. Let's do some push-ups while all this shit chops. Turn on my light. Turn on my light real quick. Do some push-ups real quick, man. Do some push-ups real quick. Get my 20 in. right there. I'll just push a little bit more. Oh. She needs to push a little bit more. It was at TP. I seen it. You can push a little bit more. Come on, baby. Give me that full 40. I need that full 40. Let's get back to the push-ups. Let's see if I get this full 40, bro. It's kind of chopping, bro. Damn, I seen 40, but I was doing push-ups. I should have just took that. Fuck. It literally hit my TP to the T and just fucking rejected. Close at 15 minutes. I mean, 15 minutes is pretty bullish. 3 minutes to close. Come on now, don't do that now. Come on, Naz, don't do that. Don't do that, Naz. Just push, baby, push. The one time I fucking hold my trade, it doesn't want to push all the way up, but the past days, it's been wanting to push downwards and upwards. Like, what the fuck? It be the times you trade, and it doesn't want to do what you wanted it to. Come on, Naz. Just get me out of the trade so I could continue these push-ups. Oh, 15 minutes pretty bullish though. Overall, it's pretty bullish. That thing got volume. Let's check what. Damn, US 30 dumped. What is this? Pre-FOMC candle? Shit. Bro, she might be reversing right now, bro. I can't take out on 1-to-1. I can't. The next 1 hour could come back and retrace to the 4 hour and maybe the 1 hour and stop me out at break even. Oh, the 20. Oh. The 4. I would have had 40 ball. I should just close as soon as I seen it. I barely just seen it too. You just want to push when I did push-ups. Some bullshit. That is some bull. Retrace to the 4 hour maybe? And just keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. That's it. You can do it, Naz. Come on, Naz. Alright. Back to push-ups again. 2 sets of 50 at 30 ball. $15 just closed. 5 minute. I think I like how the 5 minute looked. Okay, what's wrong? Come on, whore. Push, whore. Just get me out of this trade already, whore. Get me out of this trade already. To the TP, not the stop loss, bitch. To the TP, not the stop loss, bitch. To the TP, not the stop loss, bitch. Alright, come on. Almost there. Just a few more pips. A few more pips. A few more pips. There we go. There we go. Closed. And she's out of there. And she's out of there. Let's go. Let's go, bruv. Watch her keep on pushing, bro. That 1 hour is very, very bullish. Super bullish. Let's get back to this push-ups, though. Oh, fuck! No! Almost a 1-3. I don't know. Trades I've been taking has recently been an L, but usually the opposite trade that I was taking, or say if I was going for buys, and then that invalidated, and then it went for sells, they've been going for 1-3s lately. They've been going for 1-3s lately, so I don't know. They could be pushing. They could be pushing to 1-3 right now. 1-3 would have been. I made $41 today. It's not much, but it's just a recovery game from here. Then I can get back to risking my usual, which is 50, and then I'll make 100 a trade, going for 1 and 2s. But usually, or if I would have held to 1 and 3 on this trade, it would have been $660. But nah, I'm gonna just get out to it from my 1 and 2. Damn, 1 and 2 hit before 7 a.m. I like this. This is a good trade, Nas. Thank you. US 30 swept the low. It's pretty close to the previous day high. I mean, previous day low. Shit, I said previous day high. Or it was close to the previous day high. But now it's pretty close to the previous day low. Swept the Asian and one is low. It could retrace to that 1 hour gap. It just retraced to the 4 hour gap though. The 4 hour gap is right here. It retraced it. It retraced. But honestly, I don't trust it, because it does seem pretty bearish right here. But overall, yeah, you might go for that bearish, to be honest, that bearish sells. I mean, shit, that's
That's 100 points up to that 1 hour gap. Hell no, that's not taking. You could easily take buys from here. Oh yeah, 3 the continuation fib and 4 hour gap. Damn, I need to take a piss. It lines up. It lines up right next to each other. And that's big figure level too, I think. That is big figure level, right? That's big figure level. Almost. Around there. Oh, I'm about to take another trade. Fuck yeah. Let's get this dub. Let's get the second dub of the day. Nah. Let's not do that. S&P has been chopping around the same area. This is like similar to NAS. As you can see, NAS and S&P similar right next to each other. But look, she's reversing now. This is why I want to get out from a 1 and 2. Easy to hit. 60 points. If you would have a 50-point stop loss, targeting 1 and 2, you would have still been in the trade, and NASPAC would have still been bullshitting and horseshitting. A whole lot of bullshit. Nah, but overall, that was a good trade. Looks like US 30 wants to fall. Let's get back to these push-ups. Alright. Oh, yeah, damn, Nas. Look at that. Retracing to that 4 hour and the continuation fib and the 50%. Shit. I'm out of breath. US 30 got me out of breath. A 50-point stop would have got you saved. If you had a 30-point stop right when that retraced in 4 hour, you would have got instantly stopped. But 30 can still validate for a trade downwards. Just wait until it goes up and it comes back down to that line and enter. Wait for that wick. You initially want to wait for that wick to get created so you don't get wicked out. It's pretty bearish though. That is crazy. I was thinking for buys on US 30. Thank God I didn't take it, because I would have entered on that retrace on that 1 hour imbalance. Damn. That's not even a 1 hour imbalance. Actually, I'm tripping. This is more likely a 1 hour imbalance and a 4 hour. And it got traded into, and it pushed up a little bit. See, if you would have entered on that 1 hour and 4 hour, it would have been a 1 and 2 using 30 points. But that happened around 4 a.m. I wasn't waking up for that time. That's during London or pre-New York session, I guess. I'm still fairly new to this, so I don't know what pre-London is. I think pre-London is like an hour 30 before. I mean, not pre-London, pre-New York is an hour 30 before New York open. Not too sure about that though. I'm gonna have to ask ChatGPT later. Oh, damn, I'm out of breath still. I got one more set to do. NAS or S&P is still pushing. Oh my God, NAS is still pushing. Oh my God. Oh my God. Back to 1 of 3. Damn near 100 points. Shit. For this case, I did not want to hold this trade because I'm in drawdown, so I'd rather just take my money and go. But once I'm in profit, there we go, 1 of 3 right there. But once I'm back in profit, I'm gonna be holding my trades to probably 1 of 3 and maybe more. And it's because it's only the 8th day in the month, the new month, October. Those usually are the days that you want to get, your trades in, and most of them be bangers, because it's a new month, new volume, new candle, new month, new opportunities, the best opportunities actually. Some days might be choppy, most days will be pushing like this. The day before that, and then the day before that, just continuing, bro. Oh my god. Yo, I just came back to the chart, bro. US 30 is up there. What the fuck? Oh my god. Past the 1 of 3. What the fuck? What'd I tell y'all? 1 of 4. Almost 1 of 4. That would have been 6, 7. Nah, it would have been 80. Initially, I wanted to take the entry down here too, on that 1 hour. But nah, that would have been too risky, right? Because they got traded into multiple times. But it also had a confirmation of the 38.2 continuation fib. So if it was really continuing bullish, I would want it to see push up, come back down like it did to that freshly imbalanced 1 hour imbalance, and then push up, and then come back down to that 4 hour imbalance, and then push up. And that's what exactly it did. It did that to the T. On the 15 minute, it doesn't look like, but on the 5 minute, it just did, see? Or it almost did. But it was going to hit that 4 hour. 4 hour imbalance. He probably did hit it on the 1 minute. Let's check. Yeah, I guess it did, because it went up, came back down, pushed back up. Kind of sucks just watching that shit fly past my TP. 120 points. It's all good. It's always another day. Let's see what. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Looks like US 30 is coming back to 1 hour imbalance. That 1 hour imbalance. I don't know, US 30 is kind of chopping. That's what I feel. Oh, S&P is probably finally pushing. Oh my god. S&P is finally pushing. Finally pushing. Let's see if it get retracement. Did it get a retracement? Small one probably. W day though. W day. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next trading day, which is probably tomorrow. I work tomorrow and I get off at 4:30 a.m. so I'll probably be up for a New York session, doing the same thing, looking for the same thing, hopefully end the same thing and in the same result. But we'll see about tomorrow how it treats us. But anyways, guys, if you guys liked this video, please subscribe and give this video a like if you guys want to. And yeah, I catch you guys on the next trading day. Peace out, y'all.